Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The VAX.
Ang proseso sa pag-ubra sa vaccine, it comes in phases. So may clinical phase, may phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So thousands of people have been tested before we receive the EUA, Emergency Utilization Approval. No? So from this population, from the different phases, nakita na siya yung ang mga possible reactions. No? So kung hindi ini siya safe, kaya that's the requirements of phase 1, ang safety of the vaccine. So kung nakapas na siya phase 1, then sa mga tao na natagaan na sina, then it's considered as safe. No? But it's continuous yung observations, phase 2, phase 3, until it reaches us. No? Gina-monitor siya. So ang sa phase 2, ang effectivity of the vaccine is being looked into. So phase 1, safety. Phase 2, ang effectivity. And phase 3, safety and effectivity, ginalantaw na siya until it reaches us. No? So kung ma-approve na siya, we have to trust of course, the FDA, both ang sa local and sa sagwa, no? Nga before they give the EUA, Emergency Utilization Approval, kay wala pa gid sang none of the vaccine available has been approved for commercial use pa, no? So EUA pa lang. So we have to trust these bodies na if they give this go signal, then this vaccine is safe for use. No?